I'm Kristian from Port Talbot and I'm 23. 3 years in McDonald's, doing light vehicle at the same time, as well as working in part-time in a garage as well, like a backstreet garage in Port Talbot. And then this came up at the end of my level 2 in light. I can't say no to this opportunity, so I jumped straight in. It's always been a passion. Always been tinkering, taking things apart, putting things together, playing with Lego and connects, and still do it today. Yeah, it's just something that's been in the blood, really. Never really thought of it when I was younger, but it just, as I got older, it just came to be. It could be anything. It could be servicing, inspections, it could be regular maintenance, like this vehicle over there, we're doing a non-start, I haven't got a clue what's wrong with it. I could be out on station doing inspections and repairs, could just be driving around, being the lackey of the workshop. But, yeah, the day changes, every day is different. It's alright, I've done it all before, what's the thing, because I've done the light vehicle. It's not much different to this, it's just some slight differences with the heavy goods side. So I'm pretty good with exams and paperwork and hands-on stuff, so I'm enjoying it. It's pretty easy. I was brought up at the end of level 2 light as an opportunity. My apprentice advisor said there's a position going here. I'd put your name in, get a CV in, and hope for the best. And I got the interview, and then same day got the place. It was great. Well, I've got a goal for one, where I'm going. I got level 3 to go, and then I can go anywhere from there. But it's given me real life experience for one. And obviously I've come from a real life garage. This is a bit different, but again it's giving me a different inside aspect of the industry altogether. There's loads of different routes, loads of different paths in this place. We don't deal with customers, it's all in base, it's all fleet vehicles. It's just, again, it's a different view on the industry. I've done this before. The goal at the minute is finish level 3. That's the main thing. And then after that, wherever it takes me, really. I haven't really got an idea of where to go in this industry. It could be in heavy goods, it could be light, it could be motorbikes, it could be anything. As long as it's got an engine, I don't care. I love it. Fantastic, yeah. I couldn't ask for a better facility, better place to work. Facilities are fantastic. It's clean. You know, it's health and safety conscious. It's health and safety mad, really. But that's what you want in a workshop. You want to feel safe. Yeah, it's great. Loving it. It's mainly in classroom doing some theory, and then in the workshop doing some practical, and then have an exam. That's pretty much all.
You lecture supportive?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Especially Lee, my apprentice advisor. Anything I need, give him a ring. He lets me know. He's great. Yeah, it's fantastic. Well, for people who haven't done a job before, people come straight out of school, straight into the industry. This place is quite chill. It's great. But in terms of an apprenticeship in general, you're learning as you go. You're getting paid as you go. So you're getting a lot of life experience. That's the main thing, is life experience.